Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Superintendent of Police Jong East Khas Hills District uba Vivek Sim henne kasngi habaya kren ba kinong tho khubor halor ka jingja ya kawai ka Khynnah hakini ki khindiat sngi ulai thu ba katanat Pulit kala register mukadduma daka su moto case halom ding jri police station komban chipin kan mau baka jing sapriang kawai ka durki ha kabala yo I lingba ka durki naki kor CCTV ya uwe ubriu ubale klam akor ban khliet ya kaskat jong kawai ka Khynnah Skul kabadang mud bandit Skul ha kapor min step uba Vivek Sim ula pentip bala register ya kani ka case hapo ki kendon bakongsan jong ka pokso act 8000 khat ulo ang ru baki bor Pulit kilathong ya kakenhon kerpang ban Thwet ya ute ubriu ubalale iki kam klam akor bat ki lashim khia bha banwat bania bat ban kem no ya uni ubriu kane ka case lashim kom ka special report case u SP ulakam ru ba kane ka de ka sen ka baningkong baki Pulit ki lashim ya kane ka rukom le khlam akor kat ba ka case molestation kidon henry ompa judan ban penpau badan brio ban le khlam akor ki Khynnah rit bat kham tam ki Khynnah Skul ha kapor man step.
So with regard to that footage which had been circulating in social media, we have taken cognizance of it. We have registered a sumoto case under relevant sections of the POCSO Act. Our CCTV cell is actually looking for other CCTVs around the place. We have already put a team in place to identify this person and try to trace this person. So the case is treated as a special report case because it's a sensitive case. Not POCSO cases are treated as SR cases. I would request anybody who actually can identify him to call our police control or call 112. They don't have to disclose their identity to give us any inkling or clue on the identity of this person, that we can map the person and bring the case to its logical conclusion.
Have you recorded the statement of the victims?
Yes, we have. We have identified the victim. We will copy the statement.
Any similar cases like that? Any reports?
No. This is the first time that a case like that. Yes, molestation cases are there, but we have not come across where the person would target juveniles and especially schoolgirls and all that. That was early morning.